Today, we're revisiting the wild story of Samuel Israel III, the hedge fund manager who ran the Bayou Group, scammed investors, and even faked his own death. So after all that, where is he now? Let's find out. Samuel Israel III founded the Bayou Hedge Fund, promising big returns to investors while secretly falsifying his performance reports. When the scheme collapsed, he admitted to fraud, conspiracy, and mail fraud, and was convicted. In 2008, instead of turning himself in to begin serving a 20-year sentence, he made headlines by staging his own death, abandoning his car on a bridge with "Suicide is painless" scrawled on it. But after a manhunt, he surrendered to authorities. Israel was sentenced to 20 years in federal prison for his crimes, plus an additional 2 years for failing to surrender on time. He's serving his time at a low-security federal prison in Butner, North Carolina. He has applied for early release several times, citing chronic health issues, but his requests have been denied. The court cited his privileged background and the severity of his fraud in rejecting compassionate release. Where is Samuel Israel now? As of now, Samuel Israel III remains incarcerated. His projected release date is the 10th of May, 2026. He is reportedly still dealing with health issues, but so far, there's no indication of a successful early release. He has stayed out of major public controversy in recent years, largely living out his sentence quietly behind bars. Samuel Israel III's story is a classic tale of ambition, deception, and a spectacular fall from grace. Today, he's paying the price for his choices, locked up and far removed from the world of high finance he once dominated. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this episode compelling, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.